Hello everyone! Today we're going to be doing something completely different on my channel. We're combining three loves, right? Cosplay, cooking, and Bob's Burgers. As you can see, I'm in my Louise cosplay, and I thought it would be a fun idea to pick some recipes out of the Bob's Burgers cookbook and test them out. On this episode, we are going to be trying A Good Manchego is hard to find burger.
Manchego.
Manchego?
How do you say Manchego?
There you
Manchego.
go. Manchego. Isn't that beautiful? Should we just jump into it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get started. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is prepare the shallots. We need 6 shallots peeled and thinly sliced. We couldn't figure out like what a shallot is. Like, is this a shallot?
What constitutes a shallot?
So we're just gonna assume that each bulb is a shallot? We have no idea.
No clue.
So we literally have 6 in this bag.
All right, well, that works.
Is that thin enough?
Yeah.
I love shallots, or really any like oniony kind of thing. Okay, so we're done with the shallots. Now we're going to saute these with 2 tablespoons of butter until they are golden, sticky, deep brown colored.
There we go. Because everyone needs to know you're using gas.
Exactly. Exactly. We're so fancy.
Exactly.
Spatula, babe.
We need to buy Trapped in the Closet. But like, I don't want to support R. Kelly because like he kind of like runs a cult kind of a thing. Or like,
yeah.
with those chicks. I'm gonna go in on one of these. There she is. Bitch. Okay, bitch.
Bitch, what do you know about that?
What? Nothing. You know nothing about that.
I know nothing about this. Alright, so while the shallots are doing their thing, we are going to form 4 patties out of 1 pound of ground beef. And then we're gonna... Ooh! You hear that sizzle? Ooh!
Hey. Hey. Yes.
So I've been letting the patties cook on the grill or the skillet, we don't know, for
Grill pan.
like how long? 2-3 minutes-ish?
Yeah, ish.
And now we're gonna flip them.
We're ready. Ooh. Oh.
While the patties are cooking on the other side, we're going to shave
Yes.
some of the Manchego cheese on top. I've never done this before. Oh my god, is the grater easier? Oh my god. Yeah, we're gonna grate the cheese instead because it's a hard cheese and it's just easier to do it this way. And then to help the cheese melt, they actually tell you to do this in the book. Take some aluminum foil and create a tent and drape over the patties so that the steam can come back down and melt the cheese. Alright, so it is finally time to assemble our burger.
Dun,
So, dun, dun, we're going to follow the instructions. So it's bottom bun and then cheeseburger, arugula, sauteed shallots, and then last but not least, like a whole fig in here or something.
Oh my god, yeah.
You know what I mean? Oh yeah, there. Oh my
Yeah, it is.
Wait, what?
Wow. That's weird. Just keep it in there. It's fine. It's part of it.
I was not expecting that.
Like, oh my god, they're like whole figs.
And there she is. What do you think, Ashley?
She's beautiful.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Oh, that's delicious. The shallots and the jam give it a really nice sweetness. The cheese is like, I don't know, I can't really, I don't know if I can really taste the cheese. The arugula gives it that nice fresh crunchiness. Oh, Ashley, I can't wait for you to try it. It's so good.
Yeah.
Probably one of the best video ideas I've ever had. That's delicious. Alright guys, so that is it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it helpful, and if you would like to see more episodes of this series. And subscribe to my channel, Tara for Your Wellness, for more cooking adventures and other fun things. And until next time, please take care.